Monroe picked the winner. So we're going to see, we're just going to see what, if you guys, which car do you like? Who likes 1201? Let's call her for 1201. Woo! I see your mom's here. 2909. Who likes 2909? Woo! 1930. Who likes 1930? I knew that was coming through. And 118. Who likes 118? I said 1118. 3 ones and an 8. Okay, you're not going to win. So, one out of the contestant already. Okay. Who likes car 1930? Okay, let me just check here.
Oh, pardon?
Emmy liked it too. 19330 came in first. Second car, 2909 came in second. The other two get a bag of candy. The first two get a penny. Smash them up, let's go! Okay guys, you gotta stay over here in this corner. You gotta stay in this corner. Get her! She's exposed!
Get her!
Come in, get her, stay over here. Oh, ouch! Oh, here we go. There we go.
Yeah!
Let's hear it for them. They are smucking. We got 2 down, 3 still going. Look out! Oh, oh. Hang on! Oh, oh, oh! Keep going. Oh! That door wasn't wired shut, Justin. Keep your hands inside. Oh! Driver's door. Oh, there's another driver's door. Oh! Ouch! White? Line your cars up in your heats, please. Line your cars up in your heat on this top of the hill. We're looking for. Run with your Brown Minis. 4x4 6-cylinder stock. Run with your Brown trucks. Stock V8 and stock trucks. Line yourself up the top of the hill so we're ready to go. Okay? Line yourselves up. Anybody want to see another 1 or 2 smuckers? If somebody wants to bring me a list, I'll call out the first derby heat. Emily, do you have something for these derby drivers? Okay, all Powerwheels drivers, come on over here. Nice heat. Come on over here. Well, we'll come over here because this young lady has a little engine trouble. Okay, we have a little bag of goodies for every participant. Okay, no more hitting, derby's over. I should notice I was going to give a bag of candy.